What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and it's February. And in February, we have a tradition here on Sister Girl Tuesday to open up each episode with a quote from someone in Black history to acknowledge not only the contributions of African Americans to American history, but to world history. So today's quote is coming from Jackie Wright, Chief Digital Officer at Microsoft. And it says, "You cannot innovate if you do not have diversity of thought, diversity of experience, and perspectives. Leaders need to cultivate an inclusive environment so we can innovate and solve the world's problems." All right, y'all, I'm coming at y'all with another dessert recipe. This one is giving like convenience, simplicity without compromising flavor and like just goodness. My cousin was in town, and to celebrate her birthday, I decided to make some cupcakes, but I was pressed for time. And so how do you like a cupcake recipe, the actual cake recipe that's only 2 ingredients? If you remember, I did a cake recipe that was only 2 ingredients. So I'm giving you that same energy, y'all. I just took a bite of one of these cupcakes before I got on camera. Poppin'! So if you want to see how I make them, be sure to keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Thing you're going to do is add your Oreos to your food processor. And if you're wondering how many Oreos is 24, it's a whole pack. So you'll go ahead and add that in, put the lid on your food processor, and you guessed it, go ahead and pulse until you have a nice, fine, even blend. And then to that, you'll add your plant-based milk of choice. I'm using almond milk. And then once again, you guessed it, you're going to blend. Your batter will be a little bit thin, and that's okay. You're just going to go ahead and put it into your cupcake liners. Mine made about 11 cupcakes. So I'm putting them in my oven that's been preheating, and it goes in for about a total of 25 minutes. And then you'll take them out to cool. I already have a video on how to make icing, so be sure to check that out. And there you go, all done.